Okay, so this is where we stopped. This is what we achieved in the last class. So let's add more to our styling. So the next thing we want to style now is okay, where did we stop? We start this right input. So we start the input, the range at the right side, which is meant for the movement of our MP3. So this one, so that is the one we typed last, and we gave it 40%. All right, so having done this, the next thing we'll be working on is our volume from the left side. Volume from the left side, we all know that we have a class name left, then inside it we have a class name volume, and that is what we want to work on now. Remind me. Okay, so the first thing is our margin top. We want margin top to be 25 pixel. So margin top 25 pixel. Can you see it has come down a little bit? So margin top 25 pixel, width 80%. Okay, then height 30 pixel. Let's give it 30 pixel. Then display, we want it to be flex so that everything will be beside each other. Display, we want it to be flex. Okay, so see it now. You see that this 50 is up here, this one is down, and all of that. So when we refresh now, you're going to see everything will be beside one another. So can you see them now? Okay, so after display reflex, then we're talking about align items. We want everything to be centered. Align items, so we want it to be centered. Then justify content center too. Okay, let me do it one after the other so that I can understand it better. This align item now, so Ctrl S. So it comes down a bit. So when I justify content to make it spread the way it's supposed to spread, and it will be in between very well. So justify content center too. Ctrl S. Can you see it now? Then after that, what we're talking about, let's give it a color. So that's div. Let's give it a color. The volume. So a color. And then white. Color should be white. There is no white here. Okay, so the 50 and this. So now we will be styling this one now. The next one. I'm coming. The range. So we want to lay the range now to flex, not everything inside volume. So inside the volume, dot volume compute, compute type. Where is our line quotation? Input time range. So this is what we want to start now. So we want the flex to be 1. So just 1. Control-S. So that is just for this inside this. Then I'll be styling the paragraph. That is the 50, the number that is 50. So dot volume. Okay, so inside left, dot volume, then P. So what do we want? We want font weight to be bold. Font weight to be bold. Then the font size to be 15 pixel. I don't know why I'm feeling pains. So for this 50 now, you will see this number. That's the paragraph we have there. Can you see it? So it is now bolded. So now we want to style this high. This far volume hub. Now it is inside an element high. Then high. Also want it to be pointer, then padding